Hello, Primary 5. Today we will take last lesson, Unit 2, difference between two sets. Difference between two sets. إيه هو difference between two sets؟ يعني we represent the difference between two sets by this two Venn diagram. يعني for example, what is the meaning? Difference, we say difference يعني minus, يعني like this, يعني A minus B, or طبعا we called يعني we don't say A minus B, that's wrong. We say A difference B. طيب, what do you observe from this diagram? What do you observe? إن في هنا element في A لكن we don't want element of B. Okay? طيب, another diagram أو another Venn diagram, B difference A, يعني which element belong to B and doesn't belong to A. This meaning the difference between two sets. A difference B يعني element اللي represent element A and not represent in B. طيب, X difference Y. It's the set of elements that belong to X and doesn't belong to Y. Okay? It's written as X difference Y. Y difference X. Okay? It's the set of elements that belong to Y and doesn't belong to X. It's written as. Let's go to show how we can answer questions. طيب, if X equal 3, 2, 5 and Y equal 6, 1 and 0, draw Venn diagram. Okay? لو كان عندي هنا الإكس أهو الفان diagram between them, هو هنا يعني look at the questions, no, we don't have a common element between them, ما عندناش elements. Then the Venn diagram, it will be disjoint. What do you note? يعني احنا ملاحظين ايه؟ ان هما disjoint. ليه disjoint? Because we don't have a common element between them. We don't have common element between them. Okay? To draw Venn diagram, look at the two sets. Then find X intersection Y. X intersection Y. X intersection Y. هو في intersection أصلا؟ هو في common element? No. Then answer it will be 5. X union Y. 3 union يعني collect all element between two sets. 2 3 و 0 و 2 3 5 و 6 1 0. طيب, هو ده this is my lessons بقى, sorry, أو our lessons. This is our lesson. هو ده الدرس بتاعنا بقى. X difference Y. Which element belong to X and doesn't belong to Y. هي ايه بقى؟ 3 5 أو 2 5. هي دي X elements and doesn't belong to Y. Equal X. طيب, Y difference X. Which element belong to Y and doesn't belong to X? 6 1 0 equal Y. طيب, if X equal A, B and C and Y equal B, C and A, draw Venn diagram. Draw Venn diagram. X intersection Y. Okay? طيب, هو هنا what do you observe? يعني احنا عندنا element of X A, B and C element of Y, B, C and A the same elements. Then Venn diagram A, B, C. هو ده الفان diagram. اوكي؟ طيب, intersection A, X intersection Y, هو ايه element في الإكس و common element between them the same elements A, B and C. X union Y the same element also A, B and C. It's very easy questions. Now, this is our lesson. X difference Y. Which element belong to X and doesn't belong to Y? No, we don't have. We don't have element of X doesn't belong to Y لأن two element two set are equal in element. طيب, Y difference X equal 5. Which element belong to Y and doesn't belong to X? We don't have. Then the answer it will be 5. if x equal 2, 4, and 6 and y equals 0, 1, 2, 4, and 6, draw Venn diagram. طبعا before drawing the Venn diagram should be look at the two sets clearly. كويس جدا لازم نشوفهم. 2 4 6 هنا في 2 yes هنا في 4 كمان. Another numbers another repeated number 6. All the element in x inside the set of y. يبقى we can draw two sets conclusions يعني زي subset اللي هي ال Venn diagram of subset or the inclusions to set. طيب يبقى we write ال x inside المفروض ان ال x هتبقى inside وال y outside. المفروض ال x هنا. اوكي طيب هي ايه الاليمنت اللي inside ال x 2 4 6 هي ايه الاليمنت اللي inside y 2 4 6 وكمان هيفضل 0 and 1. then x intersection y from the Venn diagram اللي هو ال inside set اللي هي 2 4 6. طيب x union ال y 2 4 6 0 and 1. now x difference y which element belong ال x and doesn't belong ال y. هو في element هنا مش موجودة هنا we don't have. each element belong ال x belong لل y. then the answer it will be 5. now y difference ال x which element belong ال y but doesn't belong ال x مش موجودة في ال x. ايه ال element الموجودة في ال y مش موجودة في ال x اللي هي ايه 0 and 1. it's very easy question. Now write the set represented by the colored part. It's very easy questions and it's very important. هنا من ال shaded part can find the answers. هنا ال element موجودة عند ال shaded part في ال A but doesn't belong ال B يبقى A difference ال B. طيب هنا A and B ممكن نعملهم A and B ممكن نقول A union ال B. لا هنا A difference B برضه. طيب هنا B difference ال A. هنا ال B subset from A. هنا ال A intersection ال B لأن في شدد في هنا parts. طيب هنا which element belong ال A but doesn't belong ال B. دي اللي المفروض تبقى A difference ال B. سوري هو في colored هنا لو في colored not clear هو في هنا colored يبقى في colored between them يبقى هنا ايه هو روز colors مش باين بس هو هنا في colored light colors فيبقى A union ال B. remarks x subset ال y then x intersection ال y equal if x subset ال y then x intersection ال y equal x. طب لو كان x subset ال y يبقى x union ال y equal y. if x subset ال y then x difference ال y equal 5. it's very important notes. x equal y if x equal y then x intersection y equal x or y the same. if x equal y then x union y equal x. if x equal y then x difference y equal 5. okay and y difference x equal 5. طيب هنا x union y equal y union x the same. طيب x intersection y equal y intersection x the same. now in opposite Venn diagram find by the listing method x union y x union y. طيب x union y يعني ال element اللي inside ال x and y 2 3 5 7 9. طيب x intersection y what's the meaning of intersection which is the common element between two sets x and y is 5. x difference y which element belong ال x and doesn't belong ال y. ايه element اللي belong ال x but doesn't belong ال y 7 and 9. very good. x complement remove ال x from this frame. لو شلنا ال x من الفريم it will be what 2 3 6 هنا في 4 and 4. طب y complement لو شلنا ال y من ال universal يبقى الانسر it will be 7 9 6 and 4 أو 4 6 7 9. okay. Use the following Venn diagram to find. هنا عندنا x union y 1 2 3 4 8 9 كل element inside the x and element of inside the y. الانترسكشن x union y is 1 and 2. X difference y which element belong to x but doesn't belong to y 3. Y complement when remove y from this diagram it will be what 3 and 5. very good. طيب هنا x union y complement بن remove x union y من الدياجرام لو شلنا x y يبقى remainder element is 5. okay excellent. drill. In the opposite figure is a Venn diagram. List each of these sets. طيب اوكي طيب عايزين ال universal element will be union ال A will be intersection ال A difference ال B and B dash هنا B dash D dash أو B complement sorry يعني هنا دي فوق كده فوق ال B. okay I give you 1 minute to finish answer drill. The drill. okay finish. now universal اللي هو all element inside the frame all element 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 هنا دي مش x ده denote كده. طيب B union ال A B union ال A ايه ال element inside ال B inside ال A 2 4 5 6 8 and 9. طيب B intersectional A 6 and 8. A difference ال B which element belong ال A and doesn't belong ال B 2 and 9. B complement تبقى 2 3 يعني ايه B complement؟ What is the meaning B complement? Nine, 2, 3 and 7.